Hi everybody, this is Jen from Doorbell News. Our YouTube award arrived. We're gonna open this up and show you what's inside. It's crazy because we just started this channel less than a year ago and we're already to over 130,000 subscribers. I really want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this journey. We started Doorbell News to just bring awareness to the community and it's blown up. Let's continue to open this. I want to thank each and every one of you for your support. We couldn't have done it without you. There's more to come. This is Jen from Doorbell News.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.